This video is going to show you how to 3D print your domino box. First, you have to make sure that you open up the Prusa Slicer. It is this icon right here that says Prusa Slicer. Once you're on there, you want to come over to the plus sign at the top left, and you want to locate where your domino box top is with your name that you saved previously. So you want to go to where it says Downloads on your computer, and you click your name and click Open. Here is your domino box top. As you can see, it's really tiny, so we have to change the size of it. But before we do that, we have to flip the surface down. By using this button here on the left, we're going to click it, and you want to click where your name is, this surface right here, so that it looks like this. Once you have that, you want to go over here to the left side, and we need to change the bottom 3 numbers to size up your domino box. So right over here, you want to delete this number, and you're going to add 185.93 on the Y, and you want to delete those numbers and add 58.93. And then on the Z, you want to delete that and add 7.62, enter. Then you can zoom out, and here is your domino box top. With your mouse, you can click on the left and drag it down. And now we need to come back up here to the plus sign, and we need to add the domino box bottom. And again, you're on Downloads, and you need to locate where the domino box bottom is, and it's right here. We want to click on it and open. Again, we want to zoom in, and we also have to flip it just like we did on the first one by clicking this button on the left. And again, the surface right here, so that it looks like this. Now we need to change the size. Again, the bottom row, we're going to delete this on the X and add 182.58. And then on the Y, we're going to change that to 55.58. And on the Z, we're going to change that to 28.58, enter. And now we can zoom out, and with your mouse, you can kind of maneuver this, move it into a location where it's in the center of the plate. You don't want to have your projects out like this because it's out of the surface. Again, it's best to have your project near each other, just like that. And over here on the right side, we have to click a few things. One is right here, this 20%. Let's click on 15. And you always want to click brim. Always click this button, make sure that it is active. And everything else seems pretty good. So now we can click on Slice Now. And this is saying it's going to take 5 hours and 24 minutes. You want to click Export G-code, and you can leave it as is on the name that you have. Click Save. Now your file is saved and ready to be uploaded into the SD drive. So you'd go to your 3D printer, grab the SD drive, plug it into your computer, and then you'd come over here to the files. The recent file that you saved should be the first one on the list here. And you're going to scroll down. And once you plug in your SD card, it's going to show up right about right here. And all you have to do is just click on the file that you saved and drag it into the SD card. Once it's in the SD card, you can close this window. You can click the SD card from the computer and pick whatever 3D printer you want, plug it in, and start 3D printing it.